The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having some of them here today to build this event. With this note, I would like to give my heartiest welcome to our chief guest, our principal, Mrs. Jagruti Vade, madam, teachers, and my little cute friends. Today, we all are gathered here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. I, Mrs. Jayashree, feel honored with immense pleasure to talk about this auspicious occasion. Every year, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti at school with full of excitement and enthusiasm. But due to the pandemic coronavirus, we can't meet each other and celebrate this beautiful day at school. But be the charming beats of Anand Nagar. हमें कौन रोकने वाला है ये कोरोना? No, never. Live as if we were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. These were the thinking of our great Bapu. And today, on his 150th Jayanti, we, the family of Anand Nagar English MPS School, will conduct different programs to pay our homage to our beloved leader. First of all, I request our craft teacher, Mrs. Pratibha, to warm welcome the most versatile lady, that is our principal, Mrs. Jagruti Madam. Pratibha Miss, please give the flower token of love to our respected Madam.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
Welcome, madam.
Thank you.
तुमच्यासाठी मॅडम.
Thank you very much. Thank you. मला मिळाले. तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या शुभेच्छा मला मिळाल्या. Thank you and proceed, dear.
Okay. I would like to give a special thanks to our madam as she always encourages and motivates her staff and do their best. She always pays special and personal attention to each and every task and guide us on time to time. So now I would like to request our madam to speak few words and encourage our teachers and students for this occasion. Madam, please proceed.
Thank you. Thank you. Good afternoon, children. Everyone, good afternoon. And all my sweet teachers. Today we all are here gathered for the celebration of our great leader Mahatma Gandhi, and we are celebrating his 150th birth anniversary. Birth anniversary यानी जन्मदिन, उनकी जन्मगांठ है आज और उनके जन्मदिन को 150 साल हो गए हैं. This is for my children. Listen to children, everyone listen. 150 years हो गए हैं उनके जन्म को. एंड और एक ग्रेट लीडर है आज जिनका उनका भी जन्मदिन है. उनका नाम लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी है. वो भी अपने फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे.
हेलो मैम.
हेलो.
Yes, yes.
Keep mobile horizontal.
हॉरिजॉन्टल हो.
Yes.
ओके.
हाँ,
आता?
okay. Yes.
थैंक
Okay.
यू. ओके, सो लिसन चिल्ड्रन, ये दोनों थे वो ग्रेट लीडर्स थे. उसमें आज गांधी जी जो है वो अहिंसावादी थे, नॉन वायलेंस. उन्होंने हम लोगों को अहिंसा सिखाई है और उनका जो भारत वर्ष के लिए या अपने भारत देश के लिए योगदान है, काम है, वो बहुत बड़ा काम है. सो आप लोगों को इतना ही याद रखना है कि गांधी जी की तरह, बापू जी की तरह हम लोगों को भी अहिंसा, सत्य और अच्छे कर्म यही सीख लेनी चाहिए और अपना मार्ग जो है वो अच्छाई के पथ पर हमेशा चलना चाहिए. तो आज ये जो छोटा सा कार्यक्रम, जो प्रोग्राम हम कर रहे हैं वो ट्रिब्यूट है. ये जो दोनों लीडर्स है उनको दोनों को ये हमारे तरफ से ट्रिब्यूट है, आदरांजलि है. ओके, सो वी विल प्रोसीड, वी विल कंटिन्यू आवर प्रोग्राम और अच्छी तरह से आप लोग अपना प्रोग्राम प्रेजेंट कीजिए. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, madam, for your encouragement to the students as well as to the teachers. Okay, now we will proceed further. Now we will enjoy various programs by our lovely students. So first of all, I request Mrs. Chetna to sing Bapu's favorite bhajan, that is Vaishnav Jan, on his 150th birth anniversary.
Unmute and start.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you, Jayashree teacher. Thank you. Good afternoon, ma'am. गांधी जी का ये फेवरेट गाना है, भजन है, जो हमेशा वो सुबह गाते थे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने रे कहिए जी, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने रे कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। पर दुखे उपकार करे तोय, मन अभिमान न आणे रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने रे कहिए जी, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। Tribute to Mahatma Gandhi ji.
Very nice.
Thank you so much,
Well
Chetna
done.
Miss. Thank you very much, Miss. Vocally, you have a booming voice and bags of character in your tone. Okay, so I would like to request all the teachers and all the students to give a big round of applause to Mrs. Chetna.
Thank you.
Now, I would like to request Mrs. Ratna to say few words about Mahatma Gandhi ji. Ratna Miss.
She's mute, I think. Unmute करा ना तिला कोणी.
Yes.
Okay, good. Again,
Okay.
Jayashree.
Okay. Thank you, Jayashree teacher. I would like to sing few lines and dedicate it to Mahatma Gandhi.
Your face is
Uh,
not visible.
So I will start. आज है 2 अक्टूबर का दिन, आज का दिन है बड़ा महान। आज के दिन वो फूल खिला था, जिससे महका हिंदुस्तान, और जिसकी वजह से हमारी माँ वसुंधरा कृतज्ञ हो गई। क्यों? क्योंकि दे दी हमें आजादी, बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल। साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल। साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम। Thank you very much,
So
Jayashree teacher.
sweet, so sweet, dear.
Thank
God
you
bless
so much,
you.
Ratna Miss. Even
Thank
your
you.
voice is so good.
Thank
God,
Thank you so much.
God
So
bless
now
you.
we will move forward to our little champs, or we can say them the twinkling stars of our school. That is students of first standard. So I request first standard student to switch on the camera and present them. That is Yadnya Sajutra.
Yagya.
Yagya. Yes.
हाँ है start. Unmute.
Loudly, में बाबा बोल, जोर से.
जोर से बोलो।
My name is Yagya Sodhitra. I perform Gigi's character. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Very good.
Okay, thanks
Very
Yadnya.
nice. Very
Thank
good.
you, Yadnya, for giving you a very Give them a big round of applause. That's the great beginning of a program. Where there is a love, there is a life. So now I will proceed further. Now I request second standard students to switch on the camera. Khushbu Rathod. Khushbu Rathod. Yes.
Yes.
अनम्यूट करा तिला.
खुशबू.
अनम्यूट करा. She is speaking something. Unmute करा. हाँ, yes.
My name. Good morning.
Good evening, beta.
Good afternoon, madam and teachers.
Very
My
good.
name is Sanju Rathod. Standard A. मैं कस्तूरबा गांधी बनी में आज मेरा विचार सुनाने वाली हूँ। खुशी खुशी तब होती है जब आप कुछ सोचते, जब आप कुछ कहते हैं, जब आप कुछ करते हैं। सद्भाव में है। थैंक यू मिस।
Very
Thank you,
nice.
Khushbu.
Very good,
So-
बच्चा.
Okay. So now I request Fariq Sheikh to present herself. Fariq Sheikh,
Standard.
standard second. P.
Not there. Parikyu.
Is she there? From
Not
Chetna Miss
finding
class.
her. Name is not there.
Not there. Farikyu.
Okay.
No.
Yogesh
Farik
Pandey.
is there. Yes, yes. Wait. Farik is there.
FA.
Ah, yes. Farik.
Spotlight its video.
Yeah. Spotlight करा. कुठे आहे?
Okay.
I can't see Parik.
Ah.
नाही दिसत नाहीये तो.
नाही
नाही,
आहे.
jo- मला
जॉईंट होतोय आहे आहे आहे
आहे
आहे.
तो.
Yes.
आहे
Yes.
का? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, he is there. Yeah.
Ah.
So sweet.
He's looking so sweet. With the specs that is rounded. Okay, Farik, say beta.
Oh God. Okay, बाबू. बोलो.
Okay. अरे त्याचं म्यूट आहे.
He is
Unmute कर.
he is
Unmute करा. Unmute
He is
is.
already he is unmute. So maybe
Network issue असेल का?
Earphone
okay, we will take him later then.
Okay.
Okay, Yogesh Pandey from the seconds B. Yogesh Pandey.
He is trying no dear. काय
हाँ, he is trying.
बच्चा
he is trying.
start फारिक start करो.
Farik, आप बोल सकते हो बेटा. Farik, say something. You are looking so cute today with the round specs. Farik, say something. Okay, we will take another one, that is Yogesh Pandey from the second B.
Yogesh Pandey is not there.
Okay. Okay, now we
Yogesh.
will.
Is there? योगेश सोजित्रा है योगेश
No.
कौन सा है ना?
No.
No ना?
If he is not there, proceed. Next.
Okay.
Next.
Now we will go to the third standard. So I would like to request Om Narsana to present himself. Om Narsana.
Sorry, teacher. Actually, Om is not well, so his
Okay.
mother called me and said not
Okay.
possible.
Okay.
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 Sorry.
Okay.
Thank you.
So now I request Chirag Srivastava to present her slogans. Chirag.
Chirag is there.
Chirag.
Not visible, Chirag.
Okay.
Okay.
So now I request Aryan Muske to present his drawing. Aryan Muske from standard 3rd B.
Is
Aditi
there?
Maske आहे तेच का? Aditi Maske.
Yes, बरोबर.
Yeah,
दोघं
yes.
हा, अनम्यूट करा.
आहेत. Okay, Aryan, present yourself, beta.
Yes.
Okay, he wants.
Okay, very nice drawing, Aryan. Okay,
Very
very
good.
good, beta. So thank you for the drawing, Aryan. So now I would like to request Sairaj Narsana from the 4th A. Sairaj.
Sairaj.
Yeah, he is there.
Okay.
साईराज वेरी गुड साईराज थोड़ा और क्लोजअप में आओ साईराज मीन्स ओम्स
अरे
ब्रदर आई
वाह.
थिंक
Okay. Please unmute him.
व्हेरी गुड अनम्यूट करा साईराजला
अनम्यूट केलं त्याने अनम्यूट केलं नाही पण.
ओ
हा, त्यांना अनम्यूट करायचं स्वतःला. आपण अनम्यूट केलं का? तिथून
तो बोलतोय आवाज नहीं येता है
आवाज नहीं आ रहा. हाँ, अभी
आ रहा है वेरी गुड
Yes,
आ रहा
good
है आ
evening,
रहा है
beta.
लाउड.
I am Mohandas Karmachandra Gandhi. All the people call me the father of nation. Vande Mataram. Thank
वेल
you.
डन वेरी गुड फुल विजिबल हो जाओ ना बेटा पूरा पूरा पिक मम्मी को बोलो
दिख रहा है.
पूरा
नहीं,
दिखना चाहिए बॉडी.
पूरा दिखना चाहिए ऐसा लकड़ी लेके
हाँ.
वेरी गुड हाँ
लकड़ी लंबा
Good
करायचं.
evening. Good afternoon, teachers and madam. I am Mohandas Karmachandra Gandhi. All people are father of nation. Vande Mataram.
वेरी गुड
Okay.
थैंक
Thank you, Sairaj. Okay, now I would like to request Divya Kulkarni with Momina Sheikh from 4th A to present herself. Momina Sheikh from 4th A.
Momina, start.
वेरी गुड
Hello.
फेस दिसना चाहिए.
I am Savitri Bai Phule. I am first female teacher in India.
वेरी
Thank you.
गुड वेरी नाइस
Thank you. Thank you, Momina. Even we know that the Savitribai Phule have took a lots of effort to encourage girls' education and okay, thank you, beta. So now I would like to request Kanak Maurya from standard 4th A to present herself. Kanak Maurya.
Yes, Kanak, start.
Okay, beta.
स्टार्ट वेरी नाइस
Hello Thank you.
थोड़ा थोड़ा क्लोजअप में आओ ना बच्चा, अच्छी दिख रही है। वेट वेट, एक आधा
wait,
फोटो।
Kanak, let me click one photo.
हाँ सीधा खड़े रहो कनक, थोड़ा नजदीक आओ। हाँ वेट, बराबर है बराबर है। क्लिक वन पिक।
Hello friends, I am Indira
हाँ
Gandhi. I am first Prime Minister in India.
वेरी गुड,
Thank you.
वेरी
Thank you,
नाइस।
beta. Okay, so now I would like to see Rishikesh Suryavanshi. Yes.
यस
Okay.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड।
Very good, Rishikesh. Unmute yourself.
वेरी गुड।
नमस्कार,
वेरी गुड।
Namaskar.
मेरा नाम ऋषिकेश दिलीप सूर्यवंशी। मैं 4th में पढ़ता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय स्वच्छ भारत, स्वच्छ मम्मी। जय हिंद, जय भारत, भारत माता की जय।
वेरी गुड।
Rishikesh, once again say after me, Bharat Mata ki.
जय
Bharat Mata ki.
जय।
Okay, thank you, Rishikesh. Okay, so now I would like to call Aryan Savan from standard 4th B. So now again, I'm going to proceed further with the next children, that is Aryan Savan from standard 4th B. Aryan Savan from standard 4th B. Akshay Tripathi from 4th B.
Abhay Tripathi is there.
अभय
हाँ.
इज देयर।
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Abhay.
अभय डू बच्चा।
Unmute करो अभय. Unmute करो.
हा झालं।
मिस माय नेम इज अक्षय त्रिपाठी। मैं 4th B में पढ़ता हूँ। मिस मैं न्यूज़पेपर बनाऊँ। मैं लोगों को खबर देता हूँ। मैं खबर देता हूँ लोगों को। मैं कोरोना वायरस तेजी से बढ़ रहा है। आप सुरक्षित रहिए। आप घर पे ही रहिए।
वेरी गुड।
Thank you, Akshay, for your warm wishes, even for the instruction for the all teachers and all students, that to be aware from this corona pandemic situation, we have to be safe, we have to stay at home, always you wash your hands with the water and soap, and always use sanitizer and mask. Thank you, Akshay, once again for giving us the nice information. Now I would like to charming little students from the primary section from 1st to 4th.
From 4th A, someone has.
Beta, switch on your camera and try to present yourself in front of the camera.
Yogi.
Is Yogi.
Yogi, yes, Yogi Rasam.
Unmute
Yes,
केला है.
very good, beta. Okay, unmute yourself and say, beta. Okay, very good.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Very nice.
I am first Prime Minister of India. Thank you.
Very good. Wait. Stand properly बच्चा and show your that rose flower. बराबर कैमरा आने दो। हाँ, click one photo चेतना. Stand properly. Okay, so sweet. Thank you बच्चा.
Thank you, beta. Okay. Now we'll move for Sanskar Kadam from standard 5th to sing a song. Sanskar Kadam from standard 5th B.
Sanskar
His name is
there.
Amrut Kadam. Amrut. His father's name.
Sanskar is there.
हाँ.
Start
Okay,
बेटा.
Sanskar. Okay, very good, beta.
Start बाबू.
Unmute yourself, Sanskar.
Unmute करा.
Sanskar, unmute.
Unmute करा, संस्कार.
Yes.
Sanskar.
Everyone. My name is Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sanskar Satyavijay Kadam. Respected principal madam and respected teachers and my all dear friends. Today I am going to sing a song on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Ji, Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapuji, Bapuji, the father of nation. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapuji, Bapuji, the father of nation. He fought for our freedom. He was a great leader. He fought for our freedom. He was a great leader. He was a wonderful teacher. He was a role model. He was a wonderful teacher. He was a role model. Gandhi Ji, Gandhi, Bapuji, Bapuji, the father of nation. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapuji, Bapuji, I love you, Bapuji.
Well done, Babu. Well done,
Thank you,
bacha.
Sanskar. Okay,
Very nice.
Vishwakarma from Standard 5th C to deliver his small speech. Galaxy 7.
Yes, झालं unmute. Start Abhishek.
Okay, Abhishek. Start, beta. Loudly.
Yes, miss.
Loudly. Okay.
Good afternoon to all respected
Acha.
principal teachers and my dear friends. On this great day, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi is very famous in India as Bapu or Rashtrapati. The full name of him is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was a great freedom fighter who led India as a leader of the nationalism against British rule. He was born on 2nd of Gujarat. He was born on 2nd of October in 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, India. At national level, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year at Rajghat or Gandhi Samadhi at New Delhi. Many people and our great leaders, including the Rashtrapati and the Prime Minister, pay homage to this great leader of the nation. The place at the Samadhi and offering of flowers. All religious prayer is held at the Samadhi in the morning. Charkha competition is held and Ramdhan is sung. Thank you.
Very nice. Very good, Abhishek.
Thank you, Abhishek. Very well done, beta. Okay. Now I would like to call Aditi Maske from Standard 5th C. She is going to say a sweet bhajan which was loved by Mahatma Gandhi ji. I would like to call Aditi Maske from Standard 5th C to say a bhajan. Aditi
Aditi is
Maske.
there.
Yes.
Aditi is there. Okay.
Yes.
Aditi, say loudly.
Good afternoon, Miss JJs and all teachers and my friends. My name is Aditi Maske. I am 5th standard Division C. आज 2 अक्टूबर महात्मा गांधी जी जन्मदिन के शुभ अवसर पर मैं आपके लिए सामान्य एक छोटा सा गीत पेश करती हूँ। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम 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 भज प्यारा तू सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम 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 भज प्यारा तू सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम हैप्पी गांधी जयंती थैंक यू मिस
Thank you, beta.
thank-
Thanks to you,
Thank
dear.
you, beta. Very nicely you sung the song, Aditi. Thanks for presenting the bhajan in a very sweet voice. So now I would like to request Karina and Arjun Yadav to present themselves. Karina Yadav and Arjun Yadav. Angat Yadav. With the
Yes.
father's name Angat Yadav. They have become
Standard.
Gandhiji and Kasturba ji. Karina and Arjun Yadav from standard 5th B. They are prepared for the fancy dress. Gandhiji and Kasturba ji.
Their names are not there. Huh?
Gandhi I was married to Mahatma Gandhi in 1883 to Gandhi I was married to have four sons. Gandhi, namely Harilal Gandhi, Devdas Gandhi, Gandhi, Devdas Gandhi, Mahilal Gandhi, and Ramdev Gandhi. I am very proud. My husband. As he is a great freedom fighter. Thank you.
Okay.
Very good.
Thank you, Karina. Thank you very much, beta. Okay, now so I would like to call Master Amit Rajkumar to deliver his small speech. Amit Rajkumar
Yes.
from standard 6.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Amit Rajkumar. I study in standard 6B. Today I speak few lines on Mahatma Gandhi. Today is October 2nd, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. We celebrate this day with great joy every year to pay tribute to the father of our nation, also known as Mahatma. It was he who led the biggest mass movement in the world, the Indian independence movement. The hallmark of this movement was non-violence. It is in recognition of his contribution that United Nations has declared 2nd as International Day of Non-Violence. Truth and non-violence were his tools in his fight against him British. He taught us to be honest and thoughtful. He made lot of effort to destroy tradition of untouchable from the Indian society and gave them the name of Harijan, which means God's people. Gandhiji considered cleanliness is next to godliness. He made cleanliness and sanitation as integral part of Gandhian way of living. Had say
देखने वाले हैं ड्राइंग्स और आपका
सेंटर
एप्रिसिएशन
सेंटर सेंटर में पकड़ के बराबर खड़े रहने का, हाँ, ड्राइंग्स। ओके,
ड्राइंग्स, फिर फैंसी ड्रेस में जो है, जो गांधी जी बने हैं, सुभाष चंद्र बोस बने हैं, सब कैमरा के सामने आ जाओ। सब अपने स्लोगन्स भी हाथ में पकड़ लो। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
ओके,
फोटो क्लिक करना।
बराबर खड़ा रहने का बच्चा। हु इज दिस? आशीष। आशीष, कैमरा के
आशीष
सामने
गुप्ता।
तू दिख रहा है, ड्राइंग नहीं बाबू दिख रहा है।
ड्राइंग
ड्राइंग
दिखना चाहिए
लीजिए
आपका।
सामने, बराबर स्ट्रेट पकड़िए। वेरी
आपके
गुड।
आपके स्लोगन्स दिखने चाहिए।
क्लिक क्लिक।
वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस ड्राइंग्स, वेरी गुड। Yes.
Okay, who else?
Madam, more are remaining there. Shall we
Yeah.
proceed further?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Now would
After
I like
speech.
to call
Yes.
Shweta Chaure to deliver her speech.
Yes.
Short and
Shweta
sweet.
Chaure.
Give short and sweet, beta.
हाँ. Respective class teacher, please tell the name of the parents in the chat box so we can admit them. Means
Which
we can
standard?
mute them.
Shweta
Sixth
is
standard,
from
Shweta Chaure.
6th morning. A.
Good afternoon, my name is President of the program, all the teachers, and my dear friends. Today, 2nd of October, Mahatma Gandhi birth anniversary. Today, I would like to share his most valuable principle, non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi was a huge advocate of non-violence. In fact, we can safely say that he was the originator of the principle of non-violence. Furthermore, he was the first person to apply this concept on such a massive political scale. This man always preached people regarding the importance of ahimsa or non-violence. If you want to learn more about Gandhi's idea regarding non-violence or ahimsa, then read the famous autobiography, The Story of My Experiment with Truth. One incident which clearly shows Mahatma Gandhi's great support for non-violence was Saura incident. In this incident, angry demonstrators attacked a police
noteworthy there was the helping on the ongoing peaceful non-proliferation movement by Gandhi due to these incidents. Thank you, Miss.
Very good. Very nice. Next.
Thank you, Shweta. Okay, now I would like to call Nishant Rajput from Standard 7th A to deliver his speech. Standard 7th A, Nishant Rajput, he is going to deliver his small and sweet speech.
Yes, Miss. Hello.
Hello, good evening, beta.
Good evening, Miss and Madam.
On your video.
वीडियो ऑन करो बेटा.
वीडियो ऑन करो.
एक सेकंड.
Okay, start.
Good morning, respected principal, teacher, and my dear friends. I am here today to speak a few words about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the biggest and great patriotic in India. He was born on 2 October 1869, Porbandar, Gujarat state. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is father of the nation and people lovingly call him Bapu or father. Gandhi's wife name was Kasturba Karamchand Gandhi, and they had 4 sons. Gandhiji studied law from the University of London. He returned to India he was as a barrister and took part in the struggle for freedom. We become free on 15 August 1947. Truth and ahimsa were the guild principle of his life. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse on 30 June 1948. Finish.
Very good, bacha. Very nice.
Okay, thank you
madam.
so much, Nishant. Okay.
1 second. This one. Jay Shri, wait.
Yes, madam.
भावेश, if the meeting time ends, काय करावं लागेल? 1 तास होईल आता.
नाही बाबा, मीटिंग अनलिमिटेड आहे, बंद नाही होणार.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, continue.
Thank you, sir. Happiness is when what you think and what you say and what you do are in a harmony. So now we will move further with our elder ones. So we will move towards our 8th standard students. So I would like to call Miss Dhankala to present her song. Miss Dhankala from standard 8th. She is there.
Dhankala, I can't see.
Dhankala.
Jyoti Dholi, her name is.
Yeah. Dholi, Jyoti Dholi. Lata teacher, just see.
Dhankala from standard 8th A. She is
Yes.
going to present a beautiful song.
Dhankala is there. I saw. Yeah. Start, beta.
Okay, Dhankala, you can start.
Good evening, respected madams and teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Dhankala Dholi. आज मैं गांधी जयंती के अवसर पे उनके प्रिय भजन की 2 पंक्तियां सुनाना चाहती हूँ। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे, वैष्णव जन तो तेने कीजे पीड़ पराई जाने रे, पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान ना माने रे, वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे, सताड़ लोग माँ सौने वंदे निंदा न करे के नीरे, बाच काच मन निशण राखे धन धन जननी तेनी रे, वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे, वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे. Thank you.
So sweet.
Thank
Very
you.
nice, beta.
Thank you very much, Dhankala, you have such a very melodious voice. Okay. Now we will proceed towards the Palak. Palak from standard 8. She is going to deliver a small speech. Palak. Yes, Palak is there.
Palak Maurya.
Yes. Palak Maurya from standard
she is there. She is there.
8A. Yes.
Start बाबू. Start
Palak, you
बच्चा.
can start.
Unmute करो.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, आदरणीय अध्यापक और मेरे मित्र। आज 2 अक्टूबर है और न सिर्फ पूरा हिंदुस्तान बल्कि दुनिया के कई देशों में 191वीं गांधी जयंती मना रहे हैं। राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी जी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 को गुजरात के पोरबंदर में हुआ था। आगे चलकर उनका पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी है। आगे चलकर लोगों के बीच वह बापू के नाम से जाने लगे। बापू ने देश को अंग्रेजों के चंगुल से आजाद करवाने में सबसे अहम भूमिका निभाई। सत्य और अहिंसा के सिद्धांत के दम पर उन्होंने अंग्रेजों को कई बार घुटने टेकने पर मजबूर कर दिए। महात्मा गांधी की महानता उनके कार्य व विचारों के कारण ही 2 अक्टूबर को स्वतंत्रता दिवस व गणतंत्र दिवस को पर्व दिया जाता है। महात्मा गांधी ने लंदन में कानून की पढ़ाई की थी। लंदन से रजिस्टर की डिग्री हासिल कर उन्होंने बड़ा अफसर या वकील बनना उचित नहीं समझा, बल्कि अपना पूरा जीवन देश के नाम समर्पित कर दिया। अपने जीवन में उन्होंने ब्रिटिश हुकूमत के खिलाफ कई आंदोलन किए। थैंक यू।
Very good. Sweet.
Okay, thank you, beta. Thank you so much, Palak. Okay. Now I would like to call Sakshi and Prachi. Sakshi and Prachi from the standard 8A to display their drawing and craft card. Sakshi and Prachi from standard 8A. Please switch on your camera and show us your drawing and craft. The cards whichever were made by you on account of birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Please, respective teachers, check out the names of the parents so the host will unmute them. Sakshi and Prachi from standard 8A.
They are here, present there.
Sakshi and Prachi names are not there.
Okay. Those who are present, some messages are coming. Just check, Jayashree teacher.
Yes, madam, I'm checking. Okay. Now I would like to call Alisha Shah from standard 6 to present herself. Alisha Shah. Alisha Sheikh, sorry. Alisha Sheikh.
Alisha is not there, I think.
No.
Alisha Sheikh. Respective teachers are messaging me in the group, no? So I just mark out their names. Okay, we will go to the next one. Arjun Yadav. Arjun Yadav. Arjun Yadav.
No.
Angad Yadav.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Arjun, bolo beta. Okay, beta, bolo.
Bolo. Very good.
Yes. Good afternoon, respected madam, teachers, and my dear friends. A very happy Gandhi Jayanti to one and all. I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I was born on 2nd of October in 1869 at Gujarat, India. all the people loving call me Bapu. I studied in Rajkot and went to London to become a barrister. Satyagrah, Rat, Anisa, surprise and cleanliness are the important principle of my life. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Arjun. Thank you so much, Arjun, for delivering us such a beautiful speech. So now I would like to call Alisha Shah. Alisha Shah, that is Azhar, Alisha Sheikh, that is Azhar Sheikh from Standard 6th A.
Yes.
Azhar Sheikh from Standard 6th A.
Yes.
Azhar Sheikh. Yes,
unmute.
Alisha. Okay, beta. Say, unmute yourself.
Hello, Miss. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, beta.
My name is Alisha Azhar Sheikh. Standard 6. जब आपका सामना किसी विरोधी से हो तो उसे प्रेम से जीते, अहिंसा से जीते। किसी की मेहरबानी मांगना, अपनी आजादी बेचना, आग के बदले में आग पूरे दुनिया को अंधा बना देगी। खुद वो बदलाव बनिए जो अपना दुनिया में देखना चाहते हैं।
Okay. Proceed.
Okay.
Listen, now speeches don't take.
हाँ, madam.
Those
Speeches are
this
speeches
drawings and
are
all.
over.
You bus enough.
Speeches are over. Okay, madam. Okay. Now, Shruti Patti from Standard 6A. She is going to present the slogans. Shruti Patti.
Shruti is there.
Yeah. Respected teacher have messaged.
Yes.
Okay. Shruti
Slogan
Patti.
Yes, slogan drawing चे photos पण आलेले आहेत. So no
Okay.
need to take again.
Drawings.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Drawing आणि
Akshata,
हे
Akshata
घ्या.
Pandey. Akshata
Yes,
Pandey.
show बच्चा, show
Yes.
अक्षता,
Shruti Patti.
श्रुति,
Okay. Show us
थोड़ा
your drawing.
ऊपर
slogans.
कीजिए. हाँ. Come nearer, no बेटा, थोड़ा और नजदीक.
Shruti, come closer. Okay.
Very good. Very nice. Well done.
Very nice, Shruti.
My name is Shruti Petty. I study in 6th B. Today, I will speak a few slogans of Mahatma Gandhi. Be the change you want to see in the world. The future depends on what we do in the present. If you want real peace in the world, start with children in a gentle way. Gentle way you can shake the world. Leave us if you were today, tomorrow learn us if you were to live forever. Thank you, Miss.
So sweet,
Thank
बच्चा.
you so
Very
much,
nice.
Shruti.
Free
Okay, now
Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you, Miss.
Happy Gandhi
Thank
Ji,
you,
beta.
beta.
Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all. Okay, now I would like to call Akshada Pandey to present her drawing and craft activity.
Yes.
Akshada Pandey.
Yes, yes.
बच्चा keep it properly, सीधा सीधा. Wow,
अक्षदा
so
unmute करो.
nice.
Akshada Pandey from standard 7th A. She is going to display her drawing and craft. Okay. Okay, proceed, beta.
अक्षदा unmute
Panda.
करो.
Akshada Panda.
थोड़ा सा ऊपर कीजिए बाबू.
Okay, very nice, beta. थोड़ा ऊपर ले लीजिए. Yes. Very good.
Very nice. Very good.
Very nice, beta. Akshada, thank you. Okay. Now I would like to call Miss Nikita Yadav from standard 8B to show her slogans. Nikita Yadav from standard 8 to show her slogans.
Nikita is there?
Nikita Yadav.
Nikita
name is Nikita.
Yes, Nikita.
Yes.
Start.
Nikita, unmute and switch on your camera, on your video.
Very good.
Okay.
Show properly, beta.
1 second, miss.
Do it properly.
Good evening, respected madam, teacher, and my dear friends.
Nikita, we can't see you properly, beta.
बढ़िया और बड़ा बड़ा लिखा है निकिता. Very nice. Okay, next.
Okay. Thank you, all the students. Your belief become more thoughts. Your thoughts became your words. Your words became your actions. And your actions become your habits. And your habits become your values. And your values become your destiny. Okay. Not but the last. Now there is a quiz. Now it's a time for the quiz. Standard 7th and 8th standard students will take part and they have to answer alternate. Okay, so here we go to the quiz. Okay,
7th and 8th, huh? Pay attention.
Standard 7th and 8th will participate. Students of standard 8 and 7th will take part in the quiz and they have to answer alternately. Means if the answer is given by, first answer is given by the standard 7th student, the next answer will be given by standard 8th standard student. Okay, now we will go.
Unmute करो अपना 7th and 8th only.
Yes, sir. Raise your hand. Those who want to give answer.
Okay.
From more option. 7th and 8th students.
Okay. The time is the quiz time, and on the of 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, we will go first question, that is, what is the full name of Mahatma Gandhi? You have the 4 options. First, Gandhi, Gandhi, C. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Yes, answer.
Hello, miss.
Yes, beta. Answer.
मिस आंसर बोलना है.
Yes, beta. Answer बोलना है.
निशान राजपूत बोलो.
मोहनदास गांधी.
Okay. Anyone else? Those who wants to try?
Miss, मैं बोलूं?
Yes, beta.
मोहनदास करमचंद
मोहनदास
गांधी.
करमचंद गांधी.
Very good. That's the option C. That is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Okay, we will go to the next question. When was Mahatma Gandhi born? Once again, I will repeat my question. When was Mahatma Gandhi born? A. 30th January 1948. B. 2nd October 1869. C. 30th January 1869. D. 15th October 1869.
1869.
2 October 1869.
Yes,
2
very
October
good, Beta.
1869.
That's the option B.
B.
2nd October 1869. Well done, bachcho. Okay. Next, we will go to the next question. Mahatma Gandhi was born in which place? You have to tell the birthplace. A. New Delhi. B. Allahabad. C. Calcutta. D. Porbandar.
Bandar.
Yes.
Very good.
D. It's a Porbandar. Very
Porbandar.
good.
Porbandar.
Very good. Excellent answer. Next. Name the mother of Mahatma Gandhi. You have to tell the name of the Mahatma Gandhi's mother. Options are A. Putlibai. B. Lalita Ben. C. Kasturba. D. Shardabai.
Miss Kasturba. Kasturba.
Read properly.
What is the name of the mother? Mother's name पूछा है बेटा.
Kasturba रे.
Name mother. मम्मी का नाम. Yes.
Yes, someone gave one number in the chat box.
No beta. Kasturba is the name of his wife.
Yes, A. Someone is telling A.
A. Very good, student. That is A. Putlibai was the name of the mother of Mahatma Gandhi. Next, name the wife of Mahatma Gandhi. A. Kasturba. B. Putlibai. C. Lalita Ben. D. Lakshmi. Yes.
Miss Kasturba.
Very good.
Kasturba.
A. Kasturba.
Kasturba.
Kasturba Gandhi is the name of the wife of Mahatma Gandhi. Very good. Next. What is the name of autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi? A. Wings of Fire. B. The Story of My Experiments with Truth. C. An autobiography. D. Long Walk to Freedom. Okay.
Miss second.
Second. Very good. Very
Very
good.
nice.
Excellent.
Second.
Beta.
The
That's
story
name
of my experiment with truth.
Truth. Very good, beta. The name of the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi is The Story of My Experiments with Truth. Very well done, beta.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, next we will go to the another question. In which language Gandhiji had written his biography? You have to tell the
Gujarati.
A. Hindi, B. Sanskrit. Okay.
Gujarati.
The option, that's the very well done, bacho. That's the answer, Gujarati, in the language Gujarati. Okay. Next, where is Sabarmati Ashram located? A. Surat, B. Gandhinagar, C. Porbandar, D. Ahmedabad.
Porbandar.
Yes, very good.
Porbandar.
Very good, bacho. Ekdam very good. Okay. Next, who gave the title the father of the nation to Mahatma Gandhi? A. Subhash
Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Miss C wala.
C wala, that's the wrong answer.
Sorry, Miss.
Okay, and D is the Babasaheb Ambedkar. Okay, once again think. Okay, once
Dr.
again.
Babasaheb Ambedkar.
Okay, once again I will repeat the question for you all. who gave the title the father of nation to Mahatma Gandhi? You have to
Dr.
tell the
Babasaheb
name.
Ambedkar.
Oh, sorry. Once again, it's a wrong answer.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes.
Okay, that's the final answer. Thank you very much, beta, to give a correct answer. Okay, next. Who gave the title Mahatma? Once again, I'm repeating the question. To Gandhi. Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. B, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. C, Rabindranath
Jawaharlal Nehru.
and
Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Miss D.
नहीं बेटा. Yes, once again try.
Ma'am. So all of you can see your certificates on the screen.
I'm not getting it. Please, will you?
Yes.
Okay.
Stop your screen sharing.
Yes, yes, yes.
From which class this Diksha Bhagat is?
These are the certificates.
Yes. Okay, students, see those type of certificates you are going to get. That is certificate of appreciation for joining the today's live digital function. That is 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. That is our Bapu. All of you have done the well. You have delivered such a lot nice speeches. Even your drawings were too beautiful. Even the slogans whichever you have wrote on papers and how you have presented, even that is very well. Even some of the students have not joined
We'll
today
take
for the
next
today's
time, huh, dear
program.
children? Those who have not joined,
Okay.
those who have joined but not, we can't took because of some technical issues. We'll do. They are sending messages, but we will do that in next program. We are doing our Vachan Prerna Din celebration on 15th October.
15th of
We'll
October.
take yours that time. Okay. Now this is